Welcome to WebGenie. In today's video, we are going to see how to write a program in Fibonacci series. So how do you write a program to print the first of n Fibonacci numbers? This is the problem. So what is a Fibonacci series? It is a series where the numbers goes from 1. So it is like 1 plus 1 will be 2, 1 plus 2 will be 3, 2 plus 3 equal to 5, like that the series goes. In this video, we are going to talk about two ways in which we can do this problem. One is by the dynamic programming using loop, and second is using recursion. Let us see the algorithms of doing this program. In the first method, that is the dynamic programming using loop, we are declaring three variables a, b and c and one loop variable called I, and we are initializing the variables a and c as 0 and b as 1. Then we are using a loop. In the loop, we are incrementing c as a plus b, and a becomes b and b becomes c, and we are increasing the value of I each time by 1. So this is how the loop works. The method is done using recursion. Here we are creating a method called Fibonacci, and inside that, if n is equal to 0, we will return 1. If n is equal to 1, we will return 1. And each time the Fibonacci function is called again. So that is how we will do this recursion. So now let us do the program in both Java as well as in Python. Open Eclipse and create a new class called Fibonacci, and inside that I am creating a static method which accepts an integer. Now I am creating three variables, that is a as 0 and b as 1. If our integer n is less than or equal to 1, we will return 0, because the Fibonacci of 0 and 1 is 0. Now loop from 2 to n. Here the c will be a plus b, and declare the variable a as b and b as c. Now call this in the main method. Fibonacci of number 9 is 34 and number 5 is 5, and the Fibonacci of number 4 is 3. So you can see that it is working properly, and those of minus is 0. Now let us create our method for recursion. We will call it as fibrec, and we will pass an integer to that, as we did for our dynamic programming method. Now again, if our n is less than or equal to 1, we will return 0. Otherwise, we will call or we will return fibrec of n minus 1 plus n minus 2. So every time this will call the method fibrec. That is actually the purpose of recursion. Now let us run and see our recursion function. So I am calling fibrec of 9. Again I am getting the result as 34, so it's working perfectly fine. And if I call a negative number, that is minus 1, I should get the result as 0. And if I call 0, I am getting it as 0. Yeah, it works perfect. Now let us do the same methods in Python. So in Python, open a new file and create the method. Create a method called Fibonacci and declare a and b. A is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, and if n is less than or equal to 1, we will return a. Otherwise, we will create a for loop which loops from 2 to n, and here inside that we will add c is equal to a plus b, and a equal to b, and b equal to c. Now let us call our method, and for 9 it is 34. It's working fine. If I write 1, it should print the result as 0. Yeah, it's working perfectly correct. If I give a minus, again it should be printing the result as 0. Yes, it is working great. Now let us create our FibRec method, that is create a method using recursion. Again it accepts an integer of n. So if n is less than or equal to 1, it should return n itself. Otherwise, it will return FibRec of n minus 1 plus FibRec of n minus 2. So our methods are working perfectly fine. If you like this video, do like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Please subscribe to my channel if you are a new member and click on that bell notification icon so that you will receive all of my future videos. We will see you with another exciting video soon. Till then, bye bye.